attorney Suzy Smart Suzy, here at Caruso Pepperdine School of Law, and it's time for our afternoon chat about workers' compensation. Join me, and I'm going to give you the short version of what you're going to expect and how I can help you at the beginning of your case. So when you first start your workers' compensation case, obviously, unfortunately, you've been injured at work. When you get injured at work, your attorney is legally required under California law, under the Labor Code, to give you what's called a DWC-1 claim form. Well, they're legally required. That doesn't mean they always give it to you. And when they do give you this form, they rarely, if ever, explain the form to you. There are a lot of boxes to check, lines to fill out. The most important thing is there's a place that says what parts of your body were injured. This is a danger zone, my friends, because if you fill the form out wrong, they're going to deny part of your claim. Let me give you an example. Let's say you fall at work and you injure your back, but later on you also realize my hip isn't hurting. My hip is hurting and my knee's not feeling so great. I wonder if I hurt those parts as well. If you don't put every single part on that claim form, your employer is only going to give you treatment for your back. So what happens when you hire a lawyer, like my firm or myself? We're going to fix that for you. We will file for you what's called an application for adjudication of claim with the Workers' Compensation Court. When we file that claim, I personally oversee every single case, and I make sure that every part of your body is in what is called your application. That is the California legal term for your complaint in workers' compensation law. That gets directly e-filed with the court, so we can have your case up and running with the court within 24 hours. That's a very important thing for you, because until we get that application filed, we cannot justify getting you treatment. Why is it also important to have an attorney overseeing your case? Let's go back to that first form that you filled out. When you did that form, your employer probably sent you to a place to get treatment. That place was their workers' compensation doctor. It's the place that your employer likes to send you for many reasons: cost, and cost. It's basically their way to save money. Where do we send you when we send you to a doctor? My staff and myself do extensive research to find you the best doctor we can within the limitations of California law. It would be akin to saying that your employer has an HMO and we have only a certain amount of doctors to pick off of that list. But rest assured, there may be a golden doctor. I like to call them the golden doctor in that list, because there's going to be at least 1, 2, 3, or hopefully more that we have background and training and we know about those doctors, and they're going to really want to help you. We can't think all the doctors on their list are bad, although, well, that's another story for another time. But today I'm just giving you a short overview of what we can do to help you get through the system. You're also going to get, and I think it's important to leave you this afternoon to know this, you're going to get a feeling of comfort when you have an attorney handling your case, because you're going to be inundated with legal mailings, letters, forms. Many times there's small print that if you've read it, you may still be going, what does this really mean? Why are they sending me this paper saying they're going to do something called utilization review? That, my friends, is a danger point. Utilization review is their way to deny you treatment. What does my firm do? We fight those utilization reviews, and I work aggressively to get you treatment. What is the goal of the workers' compensation system? It is to get you better. What if you can't get better? You need a law firm that knows how to get you a life pension, nurses, and to take care of you and your family for the rest of your life. Hopefully that is not your situation, but if either you or your family member has that issue, we're always here for you. 24/7, give us a call. that's the short version for this afternoon. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere else, and we'll be giving you more of these daily updates regarding the workers' compensation system. Have a nice day and take care.